Guys, imagine one app where your calendar, tasks, and notes all live in the same window, and AI helps you move between them without extra clicks. That is Routine, a workspace that combines all of this in one system. But the interesting part is not just that everything is together. The platform also adds an AI layer on top, helping you capture information faster and turn it into useful next steps automatically. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today I'll show you how this tool works in practice, from a quick task capture to meeting notes and AI agents. This video is sponsored by Routine, and I'll keep the walkthrough practical, so you can see what the tool actually does on screen. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Alright folks, let's start with quick capture. You know how it usually works. You remember something important, pause for a moment, and then have to turn that thought into a proper task before you lose it. By the time everything is filled in, a simple idea already feels like extra work. Routine makes this much easier. Whether I'm using the desktop, web, or mobile app, I can open the console and simply type what I need in normal language. So guys, instead of creating a complete task manually, I can quickly capture the information through the console and organize it afterward. This part does not use AI. It simply gives me a faster way to save an idea without digging through menus or switching between different windows. And honestly, that makes a big difference. Tasks are easiest to capture while they are still fresh, so the faster I add them, the less I have to keep in my head. The same idea works with voice commands on mobile. Mates, when my hands are busy, or I just do not feel like typing, I can speak directly to the Routine assistant. I tap the microphone and ask it to block time tomorrow morning for reviewing the Q3 budget draft. Routine understands what I mean and takes care of the next step. It creates the task and reserves time for it in my calendar. This is where it goes beyond basic speech recognition. The app is not simply turning my voice into text. The AI agent understands the action behind the request and actually carries it out. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Next, let's see how it handles meetings. Routine has a separate system for meeting notes. Once automatic recording is enabled in the settings, it can detect when you join a call and start preparing a transcript. You can also enter the next call directly from the calendar event card. It is a small detail, but it keeps the whole process smooth, because you do not need to jump between different apps just to join. Mates, the recording also runs quietly in the background. There is no additional bot sitting in the participant list, so the meeting still looks and feels normal for everyone else. Here we can see the record meeting option. I turn it on, join the upcoming call, and Routine is ready to capture the discussion. During the meeting, we talk about the project and agree on the next steps. Sarah takes care of the mock-up, I review the copy, and Paolo updates the timeline before the stakeholder review. Once the call ends, Routine starts processing the recording. And folks, this is where the notes become genuinely useful. In the agenda section, the platform pulls out the upcoming items from the conversation automatically. Instead of leaving everything buried inside a long transcript, it turns those details into clear action points I can follow up on. That is what makes AI meeting notes practical. The goal is not just to save a written record of the call, it is to turn the conversation into work that can actually be tracked. Guys, Routine can also help with AI agents and automations. You can create agents for different types of work. For example, one can act as an assistant, another can help manage projects, while a third can focus on content tasks. The setup feels pretty natural. You describe what you want the agent to handle, and Routine turns that request into a sequence of steps. At the same time, you are still in control, friends. You can launch the automation manually when you want to check everything first, or let it run automatically on a schedule. At this point, the tool starts to feel like more than a basic task manager. It becomes a workspace that can keep things moving without you having to manage every small step yourself. Of course, this only works well if the platform connects with the tools you already use. Mates, Routine connects with familiar tools like Gmail, Slack, and Notion, so your daily planning is not separated from the places where work already happens. Folks, you can also bring in the task managers your team already uses. instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. And through Zapier, the platform can connect with even more services when you need a wider setup. More importantly, the information can sync in both directions. That means you are not constantly copying updates from one platform and pasting them into another. For me, this is what makes Routine feel like more than another productivity app. It can become the main workspace where everything finally comes together. So guys, that is how Routine AI works. You can capture tasks with natural language and use voice commands on mobile. It also lets you record meetings, turn conversations into action items, and build AI automations for repeat work. From my side, the strongest part is that the platform keeps planning and execution in one place. A note can become a task can get time on the calendar, and a meeting can turn into a real agenda. Mates, Routine AI features are also available on the free plan with limited credits, so you can try the main AI workflow without much risk. There is also a professional plan trial, and the promo code AI Launch gives 20% off premium plans. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and till next time.